Howdy y'all, welcome back. I am Hunter J, good to see you again. Bring you back with another day vlog video number 3. I got me a new toy, you may have just seen it in the background then. I got me a BMX bike, a Diamondback Viper BMX bike. So today's going to be all about riding that. It's like 8:30 now. I'm about to head down to the train station and meet up with my mate. Well, hopefully meet up with my mate. And we're going to go and catch the train, and we're going to go all around Wellington. We're going to go into Wellington, we're going to go to Lower Hutt, Poirua, hit all the skate parks that we possibly can. And yeah, it should be a mean day, so stay tuned for more action. Let's go.
At the end of a black hole, cold, lost and upside down. Faces swirling past me, all my memories rolling vastly. Cold, lost beneath the ground. All done by my own hand, I allow my feelings to become sand. If you're gonna cut me down, better do it quickly now. You can cut me down, but I won't stay for long. I'll grow back again. Oh yeah, my roots are strong.
Alright guys, we are here, we are in Wellington, at the skate park. I'm gonna do a bit of a hoon around, set some cameras, do some stuff, and yeah, be in for some cool tricks and some good music. Let's do this. Alright guys, so there was some just quick footage of around here. Hope you enjoyed that. It's quite a cool little skate park actually. It's one of my favourites around here. Just had to have a bit of a rest, have a breather, have a drink. I'm going to go pop up to the town now behind me and go find the shop called Cheapskates. go get me a new helmet because this one's real worn down and pretty useless now. And yeah, go for some mean ride around town. So we'll do that, and then from there we might come back here or go over to another place, skip town again and go to a different skate park. So yeah man, day's still just starting. Pretty cool so far. I'm pumped. Let's go do this. Let's go find where Cheapskates is. I first need to find a place that has free Wi-Fi so I can use their internet, so I can find where Cheapskates is. So let's do that. Alright, now Wellington is like a massive place, so everywhere has free Wi-Fi. So let's go find somewhere. Might just be able to find Cheapskates on its own. Might just go for a hone and see if we can find it. Yeah, might just do that. And then if that fails, then yeah. Oh, and how I said earlier that my mate was coming with me. Yeah, I got to the train station, jumped on the train, waited for him. He never showed. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. I think I found it, guys. I think this is it. Down the street somewhere. I see it. Well, I got my helmet, so that's pretty cool. New helmet for Cheapskates. It cost me $50, so it's all good. But now I've got to head home. I forgot I had a house inspection today, so I'll head home real quick and then I hope to come back out again.
Station Upper Hutt.
Alright, so I'm back home now. Sucks because now I'm gonna catch the train all the way back into there again. It's like a 40-minute train ride, but I got a text from my partner saying that we had a house inspection today. We don't have to be here for a house inspection, which is all good, but I've got both my car and my ute parked in the driveway, and we're only actually allowed one to be parked in the driveway. And so I thought I'd better quickly race back. I'm not sure what time they're coming. They may have already been, but if they haven't, then it's all good. I'm going to move my ute now, and from there check the train times again, see when the next train's going into Wellington, and yeah. Oh man, it's hot in here. Reverse, not forward. Okay guys, so I'm looking at the train times here, and this is kind of annoying. So I could leave Upper Hutt to go into Wellington at 12:30. I don't know if you can see this. The next one is in 15 minutes, leaving here to go to Wellington. I get into Wellington at 1:15, which is all good. Now from Wellington, I want to catch the train from Wellington that goes to Porirua and go to the Porirua skate park. Right. So I'll come into Wellington at 1:15 PM, and then going from Wellington to Porirua, that leaves at 1:14 p.m. So I'm going to come into Wellington and I'm legit going to miss my train to the next place by a minute. And then I have to wait a whole another half hour. Sorry, 29 minutes before I can catch that one to Pairua. It's all good though, I'm sure I'll be able to find something to do. So I think I'll do that. I'll catch the next train at 12:30 back into Wellington. And then I'll spend half an hour in Wellington. And I'll go catch the train from Wellington to Pairua. Go to the Pairua skate park. Then from Pairua, we'll come back into Wellington because it's the only way back. It'll be 3 o'clock by then. And then we shall come back this way, and I think I'll get off in Lower Hutt or Petone. Skate around Petone and Lower Hutt. Well, bike around Petone and Lower Hutt, sorry. And then we'll head back this way and probably call it a day. But so far, so good.
So long, time and time again, all you say is that I did you wrong. So you turn your back on the world, pretending to be strong, but you're crying deep inside. You're still hurting from the lies, and I'm the man that you despise. Now you put up a wall, now you act like you don't know me at all. Every time you see me, no, it's not the same. Brand new you, but the feelings ain't changed. Do you still see me and you together, or should I let go and forget right now? I'm me bad for work. For every moment that you made me smile, can I just see you and stay for a while?
I'm trying to find who we were before the lies I learned. So take me back to this time. Amnesia.
I just have a quick question. The next Waikano one's been replaced by a bus, right? Can I still take my bike on?
I don't think so, no.
Okay, so go to one. Thanks. Okay. Sweet. Alright guys, so I'm back in Wellington now, and I had this whole plan made up. Oh, shit. I had this plan made up that I was going to do all these challenges, go to these different places around Wellington, go to Pairua, and push myself for time, just to get back in time to get at my mate's place by 5 o'clock. But one of the trains has been cancelled to a bus, so it ain't going to work anymore. So this is it here. So I've got about an hour in Wellington, and then I'm going to catch the train back to Petone, which is just down out of Wellington, and then I'm going to push myself to get from Petone to Taita in 50 minutes, and it's a fair distance. Get to the Taita station to then quickly get on the same train back to Upper Hutt, and get home by 4 o'clock. So let's give that a go. I've got 1 hour to kill in Wellington. Let's get this shit going. Can I skip that chicken and rice that you got?
We never spoke since your love was true. And now that I know this, I regret every tear I made you cry. Baby, don't fight it, let me rewrite it.
and that was good. Alright guys, just came off the Petone station. I'm going to race to the Waterloo station. It's raining, I'm doing it anyway. I'm going to race to the Waterloo station and catch the next train that's going to get there. It's about a 30-minute cycle and the next train's in 35 minutes. It's gonna slow me down. What? Look at this. Look at this. I've got no tools in me to fix this. Oh man, I have to be so careful now. I can't tighten it up. Oh shit. This ain't fair, man. And it's just getting worse. Halfway there. I don't know how much time I have. I fucking found a train station. It's not the one, but I found one. And I think I'm in time. I hope I'm in time. I was going down some streets and I got lost. And then I saw a train station in the distance. I made it, guys. I have 9 minutes to spare before the train comes. Look at this, guys, I am soaked to the bone, man. Oh my god, guys. My GoPro's dead, so I have to use my phone now. But I made it from Petone station to Woburn station. Not quite where I wanted to get to, but I got to a station with 9 minutes to spare. It's now just stopped raining as I got here. My train ticket got soaked in my bag, so I've stuck it to a different car to hopefully keep it in one piece for his last trip. Oh shit, man. What a hard one. Why did I do that in the rain? Why? Alright guys, so I made it back home now. I'm now sitting in my ute because I'm about to head out. But I don't know when my GoPro died, but I got off at Petone station and was gonna go across town to the other train station, to the Waterloo train station, to catch the next coming train that was going past there. And the next coming train was in 30 minutes and it was about a 35-minute bike. So I was real short for time, and as I got off the train it started absolutely bucketing down, so I was super wet. Halfway through the journey my whole front end came loose, and every time I tried to turn the bars would turn and the wheel wouldn't. So that made life really hard. I'm not sure if I caught that on the GoPro or not, but I'll find out later. Then I ended up taking a wrong turn and I got lost. And I happened to see a train station in the distance and was like, oh my god, it's a train station. I wonder what time it is, I wonder if it's the right one, I wonder if I'm like gonna make it. And I made it 9 minutes early. It wasn't the one I wanted to make it to, it was the one before it, but it was close enough. So I did that. Yeah, I made it back home, and yeah, I was absolutely soaked, had a shower, I feel a lot better now. What a day. I didn't go to all the skate parks I wanted to. There was one skate park I wanted to go to, but the trains got cancelled to go to that town, so I couldn't go there. And I was going to go to the skate park in my town, but it was pouring down with rain, so I couldn't. But I got some mean footage, and I had a great time, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching. That's my new toy, my new Diamondback Viper BMX bike. I love it. I love getting out there and doing some cool things. I don't quite often do that, so it's great to get out there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like, leave a like. If you want to see more, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later on in the week. Music cover coming up later on in the week. Hope you guys enjoyed the last one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you on the flip side.